Kinumpirma ni Pangulong Aquino ang investigasyong ikinasa kay MRT General Manager Al Vitangcol. Ayon sa Pangulo, ipinaabot sa kanya ni DOTC Secretary Joseph Emilio Abad ang nasabing hakbang. Narito ang ulat ni Elena Lina.
Kinumpirma ni Pangulong Aquino ang pagtanggal sa pwesto kay MRT General Manager Al Vitangcol III. Ayon sa Pangulo, nakatanggap siya ng tawag kay DOTC Secretary Joseph Emilio Abaya tungkol dito. Nalaman niya sa kalihim na may ginagawang investigasyon ang DOTC at ipinalit kay Vitangcol bilang acting capacity si LRTA Administrator Joy Chaneco.
Last night, nag-text si Secretary Abaya, they discovered that he had a relative by affinity involved with the company that got the maintenance contract. Balikan lang natin maintenance contract. It was formerly held by a Japanese company and we felt that it was very exorbitant. So, nagkaroon ng bidding and there was a company that won. Okay. That's as far as I recall about that particular issue. Now, he didn't reveal that he had a relative who was an officer of this company to anybody, including his secretary, including the back, and others. So that he was relieved for that purpose. Last night, Secretary Abaya received word that yung Vitangcol was resigning. Okay. But as of last night, he was set to receive the copy of the resignation. Be that as it may, no, at i-alert, I keep telling everybody, anything we enter into must be beyond anybody's reproach. Okay. So, I'm sure Secretary Abaya will take, upon discovery of this fact, will take all the necessary steps to ferret out the truth.
Binigyang diin ng Pangulo na paiiralin ng tamang proseso kay Vitangcol.
Sa ngayon may allegation pa lang Siyempre next on proof. Okay. Tapos yung proof, then it will have to be appreciated by the ombudsman. Saan tayo nagmamadali? Okay. Ako gusto ko rin i-fast forward pero may proseso. Okay. Na pag sinortcut mo masyado yung proseso, that in itself might result in a mistrial or getting the person off free. Meron tinatawag na I don't know if it's particularly relevant, pero sa ngayon, kunyari, inakusahan natin, dinala ng ombudsman diretso sa Sandigan Bayan, tapos wala ka naharap na preba, o di siyempre, absuelto yung tao, i-arraign, guilty or not guilty. Pag sinabi niyang not guilty, wala kang ebidensya pampatunay, absuelto, hindi mo na pwede sampahan ng kaso. And we don't do that.
Kasabay nito, itinanggi ni Pangulong Aquino na personal na kakilala si Vitangcol. May mga ulat na nagsasabing si Vitangcol ay nasa tinatawag na inner circle ng Pangulo.
Out of curiosity, sino sa inner circle ko si Vitangcol? Yung he looks up vaguely familiar, but I don't really know him. Okay. Not well, no. Yung I let my secretaries decide as to whom they want to work with.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Elena Luna.